Yo. JLC fam, look at this. We're planning fishing trips in the morning. And this is what I got right now. So, I don't know if we're gonna be out there. Welcome back, guys. I'm out at Bluegrass. We're out at Loon Pit, baby. And we're looking for some bass. Something just came up and surfaced right where we were. Muskie following us. And it hit, and it took off hard. And it took off for, you know, drag was screaming, and then it just let go.
Yeah.
It was done.
Yeah, that's what happened to that one I caught. And it hit, and when it decided it was going, it went. Whenever it was done fighting me, my lure just came back to me, slack line. You know?
Crappie. We got us a crappie. We got us a crappie, Chase.
Nice.
Decent size.
I've been catching some good ones out here lately.
Paper mouth.
Yep.
There it is. Nice crappie. Thrown back. Not fishing for crappie today. Not keeping fish. Alright, I'm in on a custom lure right now from 12 Oaks that my buddy Chase gave me. See him over there. Wonder what he's catching on to. Tell you what, that guy's pretty good at fishing. If you watch his videos, man, he knocks them out. There we go. We're gonna try and use what he uses and knock him out too. Oh, shoot. Crappie right at the boat.
Oh.
Took it under and hit the boat and jumped off. 12 Oaks just went flying. What the heck happened to you? Lord knows, I don't know, it didn't break there. Must have had a weak spot in the line. I'll be a son of a gun, last minute. Got a bass.
Nice.
A whole 4 or 5 inches of them. There he is.
Get that on.
I put the rooster tail back on.
Yep.
I haven't used it since I caught that crappie. Figured I'd try it one last time.
Hey man, can't go wrong with it.
No kidding, I think we're on again. Something's taking me around. Hey, a bluegill. Bait fish. Your camera's done for, isn't it?
One is.
One is? I think I got literally 5 minutes left. I'm surprised it's still recording. I think so. Oh yeah, we got a decent fish on. There we go.
Way better than that little bitty bass.
Yes. About 12-incher. There you go. Last minute fish. We might have a voyage. How'd you get him to do that dance?
Man, it just did it.
No, he didn't do it.
It just did it.
I got mine recording. Looks like a good fish, man.
Got him. That's a decent fish.
Yeah, it looks good. Probably 14, 15 inches.
Man, right when I was about to call it quits in the middle of the day.
Oh yeah, that's a solid fish, man.
Nice.
Nice one. Nice one.
Go for it.
There it is. Look at that. 12 oaks. That's a crappie on. He's got a mess too. Oh, maybe he got off. Crappie are some good eating fish. Nice crappie. Crappie for the camera. Beautiful. Going in. It might be hitting 12 oaks today. Chartreuse. There it is. Oh, did he get off? Dang it, we had a big fish and he got off. Is what it is. Telling you guys, man, the fish that got away. Dang. Good morning, guys. This is round 3. We're out here back at the same lake. Look, I'm after those muskie. I swear, the round 2 that I had a muskie on, and it got away from me. Whatever it was, I was sad. I didn't go out on the kayak for like a month because of that. But I have been hunting. Make sure you guys check into my JLC World Facebook page, okay? I'm gonna link that below for you guys if you're interested. Man, these fish are jumping up here, so I gotta get on it. But yeah, we're targeting muskie and big bass. Look, they're jumping behind me. Okay, let's get on it. "12 Oaks." Ooh, I think we on something. Finally. Little bass. On the black rooster tail. Well, he just did something on me. Squirted all over me. What the heck did you do here? Must have hit his tickle spot.
That's encouraging. We got fish out here. All right. Even though he's little, I will take him. I'm happy for that. Oh, he got off. You dog. Boy, I don't know where I was going with that one. That was way up in the tree. I gotta anchor it down so I can get out. Do not try this at home, kids. Let's do a couple short casts while I'm over here. Got the boat anchored, gotta jump back in it. Almost lost my 12 oaks. Not today, brother. Oh. Feet are wet. Feet are soaking wet. But we're on and we're safe. We're good. We didn't fall out and we retrieved our 12 oaks. You're not getting away from me today. Dang, scared it out of me. No. Right up in here, dude. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I did not catch my muskie, but we did catch a decent fish on like day one. So until next time, we'll see you. Peace.